Hey everyone, Tutor Brian here. This is a tour of my apartment, which follows a somewhat minimalist approach. The entranceway, small space, usually just put shoes here, and next to it is the coat closet. I hang my keys nearby, and in the coat closet there's not really any clothing actually, it's just some shopping bags, reusable shopping bags, and some extra shoes. Then is the closet for the washer and the dryer underneath the water heater. And then the kitchen area. With an island that has the sink and a dishwasher, leading into the living room area / dining room area. On the one side is the table that I can use for dining, writing in my journal, watching TV. And the other side is a seating area, theater seats, and a convertible mattress that right now is kind of in the the low couch configuration, and it folds out into a twin or also a king size but thinner mattress. At the table I have a 19-inch Sharp TV. It's many years old, since college dorm days. And next to it the PlayStation 2, which serves as the DVD player for my collection of DVDs here. And then in the corner, workout equipment, basically just a barbell, weight plates, and exercise mats. And the view that I have from here leading into the street. Cars constantly passing by. I can actually hear all the traffic out there, including the honking. And from there is a built-in study desk area. I just use it for storage space, books, and above it a shelf just to put various items. And the bedroom, pretty simple, just one piece of furniture, nothing stored in here. The view from there, and the bathroom. Closet. For the most part, I don't keep a lot of stuff stored in all the various cabinets and drawers that I have. I keep things mostly in a central spot so I can find them easily, and I don't have that much stuff to begin with. And that's it for the tour. Pretty basic, just simple, minimalist. And thanks for watching.